In news that we are breaking to you, Shiv Sena in its editorial has taken on the Kejriwal government, raking up the controversy over Ghulam Ali's concert. Sena has questioned Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, saying that the AAP had offered volunteers to provide security for Ghulam Ali's concert without the help of police. So why is it that they can't do the same for women's safety? Shiv Sena has accused Kejriwal of resorting to politics of convenience. Kajal Iyer joins us on the phone line. Kajal, if you could give us a sense of what exactly provoked the strong statement of Shiv Sena against the Aam Aadmi Party and its leader Arvind Kejriwal.
During the Ghulam Ali controversy here in Mumbai, the Aam Aadmi Party had raised the issue of Aditya Thackeray, the young leader of Shiv Sena, going to certain events where Pakistani singers were also present. The Aam Aadmi Party had circulated pictures of Aditya Thackeray at these events and also said that how could he have gone to these events and only object to Ghulam Ali? And when the Ghulam Ali event was cancelled, Aam Aadmi Party had invited Ghulam Ali to Delhi and had even gone so far as to say that if the police fails, then our volunteers would be protecting Ghulam Ali.
Yes.
So it is a response to this particular statement that this entire editorial has been written, that if your volunteers can protect Ghulam Ali, why is it that your volunteers cannot also take on the law and order situation in Delhi? Because there have been cases of rapes of minors that have come to light, and in all those cases, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has constantly mentioned that he cannot do anything because the police is not in his hands.
Right. There was two very strong, shocking cases of crime against women only recently. Perhaps Shiv Sena using that as well to attack the Aam Aadmi Party. In fact, we have Sanjay Raut of the Shiv Sena speaking to us earlier. Let's listen in.
अब ये केजरीवाल जी वो गुलाम अली का कॉन्सर्ट करने जा रहे हैं। भाई क्या जरूरत है आपने देखा दिल्ली में कितने बलात्कार चल रहे हैं? तो बलात्कार या वहां जो क्राइम बढ़ता है उसका ठिकरा फोड़ते हैं केंद्र सरकार के ऊपर कि हमारे पास पुलिस का कंट्रोल नहीं है, इसलिए हम ये बलात्कार नहीं रोक सकते। तो मैं ये आप सरकार से पूछना चाहता हूं, भाई तो ये गुलाम अली का जो आप कॉन्सर्ट करने जा रहे हैं उसके लिए पुलिस और लॉ एंड ऑर्डर का कोई प्रश्न नहीं है। वो तो कहते हैं कि हमारे आपके जो स्वयं सेवक है, कार्यकर्ता है, वो सुरक्षा का जिम्मा उठाएंगे। ये भी ढोंग है। अगर गुलाम अली की सुरक्षा आप कर सकते हो पाकिस्तानी, तो वहां जो महिलाएं हो जिनका ऊपर बलात्कार हो रहा है, जो बलात्कारी खुलेआम घूम रहे हैं, आप उनको भी रोकिए। फिर आप महिलाओं की सुरक्षा करिए, आपके कार्यकर्ताओं को बोलिए वहां आपको पुलिस चाहिए और गुलाम अली के लिए पुलिस नहीं चाहिए। ये भी ढोंग है।